Now in this question, we have to find the equation of the hyperbola, foci are given and length of the lattice rectum is given. Now, given foci of the coordinates of the foci are plus minus 3 root 5 comma 0 and length of lattice rectum is equal to 8. Now, transverse axis lies on x-axis. Therefore, coordinates for the foci are AE comma 0 or AE is equal to 3 root 5. One thing. Now, length of lattice rectum that is twice of b square upon a is equal to 8 because 8 is given to us. So, b square is equal to 4a. Now, equation of hyperbola becomes x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1.1, equation 1, where b square is equal to a square e square minus 1. Now, let this be 2. Substituting values of AE and B square in equation 2. What we are getting? B square is equal to AE whole square minus A square. B square, it is 4a, so 4a is equal to 3 root 5 whole square minus a square. Okay, and this becomes 4a is equal to 45 minus a square. A square plus 4a minus 45 is equal to 0. Now, on factorization, what we are having? A square plus 9a minus 5a minus 45 is equal to 0. And here this becomes a plus 9, a minus 5 is equal to 0. Now, a is equal to negative of 9 and a is equal to 5. When a is equal to negative of 9, then b square is, now b square is 4a, b square is 4 times negative of 9, not possible. Okay, therefore, when a is equal to 5, then b square is equal to 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Now, substituting values of a square and b square in equation 1, equation 1 we are having x square upon a square. So x square upon a is what? 5. X square upon 25 minus y square upon 20 is equal to 1. Okay. So we are having now required equation is 4x square minus 5y square is equal to 100. LCM will be 100. Okay. So 4x square minus 5 square y square is equal to 100. This is the answer.